Alright, we got King Kong Looney Tunes. First round, King Kong Looney Tunes. Woo, yeah. Alright. Okay. Alright, we got Cozy, Cynical Soul. Alright, Cozy. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Okay, we got Kool-Aid. Alright, Kool-Aid, Looney Tunes. Alright.
Like an iceberg, hot like fire, rapping on stage by one desire. Use a bad dude sucker, cold, lot of pain. I'm coming down hard like thunder and rain.
Alright, Cynical Soul.
And you're a shaking, no brain subject. What are you thinking? Thinking real hard, you can be like school. And make a lot of money and be real cool. I can make a rap records and make a lot of fans. People come around and shake my hand, but you can't, you won't, you know what I'm on. My shit is in, your shit is so cold money.
Alright.
You all amazing. You're all,
Yeah.
you go crazy.
Okay. Alright, more part-time Looney Tunes. Alright.
I'm internationally known when I be on the mic.
Mad flavor.
I'm internationally known, yo. I'm internationally known when I be on the mic. To all hell, I'm honorable. It's to my real ill niggas, heavyweight hitters, dope getters, 50 ways to make figures. My niggas, they come on the spot to fail sisters like the handrail spitters, kids on the ziggers. When it's ugly, it's ugly.
Yeah.
Sipping Hennessy and pumping to my comrades.
Alright.
Keep it high on night.
Cynical Soul.
Clean the spots where the goal is to be one of the top ranked soldiers. 45 holders, one of the high rollers. Get respect in the hood. Credit is good. Knock it down, lumberjack style, baby. Extra wood. Rock it all night long. The bang-a-thon, baby. Keep hanging on. We like it with the lights off. Don't have to look 20 down to get to know honey style. Show her the town, still a heart, no money down.
Alright.
I'm internationally known when I be on the mic. I'm internationally known, yo.
Okay. Last round for Looney Tunes. Haha, okay. Got King Kong on the floor. Alright. Yeah. Alright, last round of the battle. Cozy, last round of the battle. Alright, routine. Alright. Cynical Soul's last round. This is the last round of the battle. believe that was it. That was it. That's it. I mean, it's cool if you want to show us some moves, but you know, like that was it. You know, you can show me some new moves. All right. That's it. All right. Give some props to these guys. This is the